Welcome back to Afropot. Trust you all are doing great. I'll be making fisherman soup and I thought of carrying you all along. Please do come along and enjoy the video. Fisherman soup is one of great dish in southern part of Nigeria, and I thought of carrying you all along to see how I cook my fisherman soup. These are the main ingredients, and other ingredients will follow in the video. I have my catfish, I have my crab, I have the pepper mix, I have shrimps. I've washed everything. I'll be using some little veggies and some other spices and a little crayfish, not to overpower the taste of the fisherman. It's very simple and rich soup in Nigeria, and I thought let me take you along. Follow and enjoy the video. Thank you. I'll allow this to boil a little before I add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add my seasoning, crayfish powder. I will add some Uziza, and I'll add crayfish. I'll add some crayfish. The first one I added is crayfish seasoning. I will show you the picture. I added this one first, 2 of this. I added crayfish, blended one, and Uziza. And I'll add my fish now. Put it on low heat to cook. And later I'm going to add the crab and the shrimps. Those ones cook so fast. I will add some palm oil now. I'll cover it to cook on medium heat. Cover it. Allow it to cook on medium heat. In my pepper mix, I blended onions already, but I'm going to add some more onions. I'm going to add, it's been cooking for like 10 minutes now. I'm going to add my crabs and my shrimps, and my food is almost ready. After this, I'm going to add the thickener to thicken everything together, and add some Uziza leaf. This to cook for a few minutes because they don't take much time to cook, and after then I'll add the thickener, finish it with Uziza, and we are done. I'm going to add my thickener now, and now allow everything to cook together at once.